Hi.
Hi.
Who is this?
Eva.
Ava.
My
Muddy. You want to do your hair? Oh, we're going to have to get some more hair. Ava, can you sing for us? Can you sing Baba Black Sheep? Ready? Shida. Can you sing Baba Black Sheep? One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Three backs, full head. Muddy. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.